You'll find the windshield wiper washer lever to the right of the steering wheel. Turn the wiper knob to the first or second position for intermittent settings. Turn it to the third position for low-speed wipers. Turn it to the fourth position for high-speed wipers. Push the lever up to the mist position and then release it to activate a single wiping cycle. If equipped, the rain-sensing wipers function senses moisture on the windshield and automatically activates the wipers for you. You can enable or disable this feature in your Uconnect settings and adjust the sensitivity with this lever. To operate the windshield washer jets, pull the lever toward you. The washer jet will run continuously until you release the lever or until the fluid runs out. The wipers will operate as long as you hold the lever in this position. If you need to clear the rear window, turn the control to the first position for intermittent rear wipers. Turn it to the second position for continuous rear wipers. To spray the rear window, push and hold the lever away from you. The spray will run up to 30 seconds. The wipers will run as long as you hold the lever in this position. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.